morning, everybody. This is Marzia Mazzotti, broker realtor with Wilkinson ERA in Cornelius, North Carolina. And today I'm here at the Peninsula Yacht Club, and I'm here with Harry Smith. He's the manager of this beautiful, gorgeous marina. Harry, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you for having me.
Thank you for being here and agreeing to answering a few questions for us.
Yes, ma'am.
So, Harry, today is gorgeous. It's sunny, it's beautiful, but it's November 3rd.
Right.
So that means cold season is coming. And that means we need to start thinking about how to take care of these beautiful vessels in the winter season. So could you give us some tips on how to do that? And my first question is, do we need to winterize?
Well, it's a great question. We are in that area that most people may or may not winterize their boats, and the insurance claims in this area are higher because of that fact. People may think they need to, or they may wait, and they usually get caught and with a lot more damage. So my advice is you definitely need to protect your boat some way, and the best way to do that is winterize, complete winterization. Flushing the engines and protecting your engines with non-toxic antifreeze, and that will help provide a lot more security over the winter.
Perfect, thank you. And then I was thinking about, how about the bilge heaters? Do you recommend we use those, and if so, for what type of boats?
Most of the bilge heaters are going to be for the cabin boats, where you're truly going to justify using your boat over the winter. And I always ask that question, can you truly justify using a bilge heater? Bilge heater needs to be watched after, looked after. It needs to be tested periodically. It requires power, so breakers can be tripped, but that's when you need to check that bilge heater.
Okay.
If it were me and I had a cabin boat and I knew that I was going to be utilizing my boat year round, I would absolutely go the bilge heater route. That way I could use my boat year round.
Okay, perfect, yes. We're definitely in the area where we get so many sunny days during the winter as well, so absolutely. So my last question is, when do we need to winterize?
That's the million-dollar question in North Carolina. We have that roller coaster weather. Again, we're mid-60s today. We could be 40 degrees next week. This is we're at that time of year where you need to start thinking about doing something. I would say no later than the 1st of December, mid-December, because you're going to be getting up against some of the mechanics that are just going to be bombarded with service calls. So get on the list early. You can post date it with us. We'll be happy to post date it so that you can squeeze out a few more days. And if we get popped with some cold weather, we can go ahead and pull the trigger with the mechanics and go ahead and have them take care of the boat.
Perfect. Well, Harry, thank you so much. Your information was really valuable. And if you guys have any questions, you can always reach him out. He's the Marina Manager at the Peninsula Yacht Club here on Lake Norman. Thanks so much for watching, and till the next time.